Let's do a hotel room tour of the inn at the Peachtrees located in Atlanta, Georgia. All the rooms here face over a centralized courtyard area. The room includes a comfortable chair. This is the nightstand area. I do like that the light fixture has a USB port. I really love this picture. I love how they have the reflection picture underneath it. I've never seen a hotel do something like that before. The bed was quite comfortable, but I did find the pillows to be a bit too soft. There is a television, but it's one of the smallest TVs I've seen in a hotel. I did really like this desk area, though. It was very functional. There is a mini fridge, but they do not have a microwave. The closet area was quite lacking. It's one of those that you just pull a curtain around, which is something I just really don't like in hotel rooms. This was the vanity. I did like it. I really love the mirror. I just wish it was brighter around there. On the opposite side, though, this was the bathroom. It was very bright, almost a little bit too sterile, though. I did like how they had the towels set up. They did have a shower, but there was no tub. I booked this room when it was $140. Some nights it's over $300, and it's one of the most affordable options in Atlanta. Would you stay here?